All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin. Drip Network, 1% back every single day, 365% on your initial investment. All kinds of good stuff. Today, we're going to be talking about crypto.com, CRO, C-R-O, advertising on the actual Super Bowl today. We're going to do a price prediction of this coin. We're going to play the advertisement. We're going to talk about FTX is giving out $1 million in Bitcoin, or maybe $1.5 million. Going to talk about crypto.com and a little bit about Super Bowl. Hey, everybody, this is going to be a fantastic episode. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yes, one day even own some cryptocurrency. So we're going to be seeing crypto.com. We're seeing it right now. All night we've been seeing it. And are you going to get that credit card? Are you getting FTX's platform? I don't know. All right, let's head over to crypto.com. All right, over here at CoinMarketCap, right this second, at the time of this filming, it's up 13%. Coins being traded at 51 cents right now. Clicking it. Well, 51 cents, up 5% today. In the last day, it's going up in the last 24 hours. In the last 7 days, it's been going up in a little bit. Now that there's advertising on the Super Bowl, what's going to happen to crypto.com? It's probably going to go really up. I don't know. Right here, you see on their Twitter account, crypto.com bought the arena. They have, for 20 years, the naming rights to the actual old Staples Center where LeBron James plays right this second. Well, now it's crypto.com. Yep, everybody in the country knows who this crypto.com is now. Thank you, Super Bowl. Over at the website right here, fortune favors the brave. The world's fastest growing crypto app joined 10 million users and buying and selling over 250 cryptocurrencies at true cost. Spend with crypto.com's Visa card and get up to 8% back. Growing your portfolio and receive a reward of 14.5% on your crypto assets. Buy crypto at true cost. That's fantastic. Things like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Dogecoin, Polkadot. This will be the only card you will need. Enjoy up to 8% back on your spending with this sleek, pure metal card. There's no annual fees with fiat and crypto. Clicking it right here. It says the only crypto card you will need. There's no annual fees. Yeah, look at that. I mean, you can kind of pick your color you want. Top up with fiat or crypto. It's got the little thing that you can get up to 8% back on your spending. The only crypto card you'll need. Compare these cards. Deposit crypto and earn rewards. Look at this right here. PA on your crypto, 14.5%. PA on your stable coins, 14%. DeFi made simple. The DeFi wallet, your keys, your crypto. DeFi earn, no lockup period, stable return. DeFi swap. All right, so crypto.com is making a big impact. 20 years it's going to be called crypto.com. Advertising on the Super Bowl. People getting this card. Fantastic stuff, everybody. Well, what else is going on in the Super Bowl? We'll come back to crypto.com. Oh, and the reason I'm wearing a Browns jersey, I mean, Cincinnati Bengals and the Rams are playing. I'm rooting for the Bengals, high team. Just like the Browns and stuff like that. So let's go Bengals. I don't have a Bengals jersey, so it's the best I could do. I actually have a Stafford jersey in Detroit that I could be wearing too. All right, here we go. FTX will give out free Bitcoin during the Super Bowl. Here's how to enter. The FTX, one of the world's largest crypto exchanges, has announced additional plans during the Super Bowl. What are they doing? They're giving out $1 million or $1.5 million worth of Bitcoin. The later our big game goes and airs, the more Bitcoin you can see on Sunday. Let's check this out.
I've missed out on talking for 33 years, but I'm not missing out this Sunday. FTX is giving away the time their ad runs in Bitcoin, and I'm going to win. For charity.
So again, just talking a little bit about Bitcoin given out from FTX and how do you do it? Here's the rules. Each winner will receive the Bitcoin deposit in their FTX account. The amount of the Bitcoin will be deposited will equal the time that it's aired. So, and again, at the top here, they're giving out $1 million to $1.5 million worth of Bitcoin. How about this BitBuy? You're seeing this on the commercials too. Did you get a chance to see this? You'll miss 100% of the shots you'll never take. Here we go, BitBuy.
Kyle Lowry! Our next BitBuy commercial is about missed opportunities. So many Canadians wish they bought tech stocks or real estate just 10 years ago.
It's happening again with crypto.
Bingo! Here's the idea.
Kyle Lowry has missed over 6,000 shots in his career. Don't be like Kyle and miss your opportunity again and again and again and again and again.
Seriously?
And again.
Yeah.
And again.
Again, BitBuy advertising on the Super Bowl for Canadians. Awesome platform. Let's go ahead and gotta run the crypto.com. Let's do it.
History is filled with almosts. With those who almost adventured, who almost achieved, but ultimately, for them it proved to be too much. Then there are others, the ones who embrace the moment and commit. And in these moments of truth, these men and women, these mere mortals, just like you and me, as they peer over the edge, they calm their minds and steel their nerves with 4 simple words that have been whispered by the intrepid since the time of the Romans. Fortune favors the brave.
All right. I'm not trying to commercial you all these commercials, but it is Super Bowl Sunday. These commercials are running. Crypto.com is a big player on the Super Bowl today. BitBuy, want to do that. I mean, FTX is giving away $1 million. Binance is on there too. All right, let's go back and do a price prediction. And guess what? Crypto.com, CRO, let's go to the Lakers game and sit in the stadium. And actually, we can look at our app and stuff like that. Fantastic stuff. 20 years of that going on. All right, back over here at the website, cryptocurrency in every wallet. That's the go of crypto.com. You know, founded in 2016, a team of 3,000, over 10 million users before the Super Bowl, before everybody heard about it. Let's come back in a week from now, 2 weeks from now, see how many users. All right, over here for our price prediction, coins at 51 cents. And again, taking a look at this, in the last 3 months, 51 cents. A coin got to 61 cents. Coin got to 62 cents, 71 cents, 80 cents. The peak over here was actually right around 93 cents, 51 cents. Our price prediction is the coin can go as high as 60 cents. All our information is for educational purposes only. With everybody hearing about it with the Super Bowl going on, everybody getting this credit card, getting all those percentages and the rewards and stuff, and being able to use over 250 cryptocurrencies with crypto.com. Yep, all our information is for educational purposes only, but all kinds of good stuff going on with cryptocurrency. So, Rams in Cincinnati, cryptocurrency, crypto bowl, CRO, price prediction, all kinds of stuff. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. Don't forget to click right here to see our video on Drip Network. Get 1% a day on your ROI, 365%. All right, everybody, thanks for tuning in. Frank from Frank's Crypto Corner. We will see you again tomorrow.